Cannonball!
You the man, Shirley!
If you'll excuse me, I gotta get back to slacking off.
Look at all of you, lazy and spoiled and fat.
Take it easy, Andy. It's not like the nut shop's gonna explode.
Oh no! The peanut butter was in there!
What are we going to do, Shirley?
I'll find a new place, even better than the nut shop.
Yeah!
It's as pretty as a picture.
It's perfect.
Liberty Park generates zero profit.
I got bigger plans than trees.
An amusement park!
They're gonna destroy the park.
It's a fat guy with a tiny shovel. How much damage can he do?
Oh, I get it. Tiny shovel was a symbolic gesture.
We're all gonna die!
Do something crazy!
This park is worth fighting for. I got this. Let's see you drive now! I'm good. But you guys get the next one. My crazy plans don't work.
They'll follow you anywhere, Shirley.
You can do it. It's all you.
No, it's not all me. If we want to stop these guys, it's gonna take everyone.
We're with you, Shirley!
Let's go get him!
Do something crazy!
Remember your training!
You had training?
We just
Yikes! That has got to be a safety violation.
do something crazy!